that is really slippery.
Yeah, cut that off.
See, that's why we ain't got no business going anywhere.
Cut that off, because this is really slick.
Oh, no, I'm just holding my phone.
Oh, bull crap. I don't believe you. Oh, gosh, I won't fall. Tell Michaela, I hope she knows how much I love her.
She's in my shoes. Don't break your hip, old lady. Look at she goes up 3 steps and she slides back 2. Honey, come back. Come back. Go on, she just goes up, she slides back. She got no sense.
Is she high?
Go look at the window. I don't want this door staying wide open. She's acting like she knows the mail's going to run. She's going to get out there and not be able to open the mailbox. Wait till you try to open up the mailbox. Oh, you chicken. She's going to come down the snow.
No, that's going to be freaking solid ice. Look at the ice on it.
Look at Mom Kite.
I thought, so help me, you better be running out. It's now cold again. Oh, gosh.
If you fall, I hope you don't go up under the van.
I better move. Well, I was hoping to slide on into the van.
We'll try it.
Oh, no.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! She only slid 3 feet. We ain't going nowhere.
Here comes somebody else out of here. How stupid they are.
What's that?
She said, here comes somebody else out in it. See how stupid they are?
I
gotta stop this car.
I'm going to turn this off now. If you fall, I'm going to be mad.
Do what?
Excuse me.
I about made it and hadn't failed.